Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Garden Guitar. Gims is back, and yeah, he will be that for many times. So if you're a fan of him, make sure you subscribe to Gordon Guitar. He has his own playlist here. So this time we have Polizia here with this, and that is a 3-chord song, and this will be a quick one. Let's put the capo on 3rd fret. We will learn the 3 chords, 1 string pattern, that's it. So, starting with A minor, we have open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. We have G next, and that goes 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, 3rd E, and finally D minor. That goes open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Alright, so let's go into the strumming, and we have 2 parts of it. So we're going to learn that with the A minor chord. That's how the song starts. The first part will be down, down, and clap, down. So down, down, and clap, down. And then we have the second part that goes down, clap, down. So if you put this together, it will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down. All right, so a couple rounds. And so on. The chord progression now will be A minor, 1 full round, G, part 1, the down, down, and clap, down, and then you switch to D minor and play down, clap, down. That is what's going on from the beginning till the very end. Let's go for a couple rounds of A minor 1, G, part 1, and D minor, part 2. Alright guys, that's the cops here. That's Gims sings about Polizia. So I hope you enjoyed it, and it's a very simple song to learn. So give it a try, and until next time, play tuned.